everyone for joining us today. We want to take some time to discuss with you the importance of taking care of your immune system and boosting your immunity. It's critical at this time that we put our bodies in the best physical and emotional condition in order to fight off both bacteria and viral infections. The inflammation that's in the mouth that stems from gum disease can also affect our systemic health. That brings me to the oral systemic link. When you have bleeding gums, there's irritants that can enter the bloodstream and affect vulnerable areas like your heart and blood vessels. Gum disease is also linked to chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's, and some cancers. Inflammation is the start of all disease processes, and active gum disease can be a contributor to that. In order to control the inflammation in your mouth and in the oral condition, we need to be brushing with a Sonicare, flossing, and using our PeriProtect trays that we'll be discussing later. The next level of immunity comes in our stomach, where 80% of our immune cells come from. A good diet of green leafy vegetables and good fats support the good bacteria in the stomach. Also, supplementation is also needed in order to get the things that we don't get in our everyday diet. This is Jackie. She's from Immune Solution, and she's going to talk to us about a couple supplements that she would recommend and that she uses herself personally to help boost our immunity. Hi, Jackie.
Hey, thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining us today.
Oh, my pleasure. So, my two best products that I would recommend right now to boost the immune system is, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, is my Camet Wheatgrass Blend. And it is a beautiful green powder. That's the chlorophyll. It's an amazing antioxidant. It is a blood detoxifier. It cleanses your liver. It removes heavy metals from your body. And also it has what you call prebiotic, which feeds your good bacteria. And as we know, 80% of your immune system stems from your gut. So this is idealistic because when you have a good bacteria in your stomach, or your gut, your immune system will always be a tip-top shape. So the way that I mix it is, my favorite is apple juice, organic, clean water, and just a little bit of lemon juice. Put in a shaker bottle, shake and drink. This is my other best product that I would recommend during these times. This is what you call a Carbon C60. It comes in a liquid form. It's suspended in pumpkin seed oil that's cold pressed and organic. And you can do it 1 or 2 teaspoons. That's what I do. This is what a Carbon 60 looks like. And these are the 60 electrons. And those hollow shapes is the main part of it, because what it does, it goes into the cells. And if you can just imagine, like this little Pac-Man hands that we used to play, the video game in the 80s and 90s, is what's destroying our cells, and that's what brings down our immune system. So the C60 will go and destroy, these little Pac-Man heads. And then now your cells will be able to regenerate itself. So your immune system will be able to boost itself and, just be at peak performance. And another thing that it does break the blood-brain barrier, because we also have cells in our brain that are, falling apart. So that repairs it as well.
That's great information. And thank you for sharing that with us. And yeah, I'm sure you'll be around if we had questions for later on.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Great. Thank you.
My pleasure.